2, 1. What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we're playing more Build a Boat.
Well, I'm building the boat.
Yeah, he's building the boat. So Andrew's here in real life. Shout out to him. Go check out his channel, like and subscribe, and turn on the bell with him and me. His channel is Andrew Source.
Yeah, guys, check out my channel. It's amazing content.
Should I do the floor?
No, it's okay, buddy. You just have to relax. Get in, because it's gonna be pretty tall.
Okay, so we'll see. We'll cut till we get to the boat zone, which is gonna be right now. Okay, guys, so we're back, and
This is what we. Wait, no, I gotta add a few more things.
he has to add a few more things. And look how much chairs we got. So in case, like, we have like chair heaven over here. So just in case anything
This is just for decoration, guys.
happens, if our chairs break, yeah.
Oh no.
Oh my. If our chairs break, we'll be good.
Let me get out of my chair to do this.
I'm actually going in. Yeah, I want to go. Okay, so we'll see you. So we're gonna sail.
Wait, not yet, dude.
Let me put one on the back.
Oh, this is annoying.
Really? There we go. Okay, are we ready?
Yep, we can sail.
In 3, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go! Look at the sky. That's a lot in the sky. We couldn't say, that's a lot.
We might make it.
We got a special button. And my button has been
Okay,
gone.
go inside.
So, you guys, you want a little tour, guys? So we have a bunch of chairs. We have a bunch of torches.
Yeah, just in case like our chairs break, and then we can go on the different ones.
We got some glass, cause you know we like glass, cause we are punchers. But the torch,
And just to save us like a little if the walls break.
So yeah, and
I don't think it's safe.
No, on the outside it looks like barely nothing. It's like people would look like, yeah, we only put like a bunch of torches, and then we only put like.
Maybe we should go in the middle chairs, dude, because if we go in the wall chairs, wouldn't that be dangerous? Because then like it would break the walls down and then we could fall. Oh!
I'm about to lag out.
Dude,
I'm good. I'm good.
You're on the wall chair, but it's still good, at least.
Yeah, I'm good. Every time I jump off, it's gonna be super laggy.
I think we might make it.
Okay, guys, we'll cut till we start taking a bunch of damage. Okay, guys.
So we came here, so I guess we're gonna be showing you the rest of our place.
Yeah, we're gonna be showing you the rest, even though we already took a bunch of damage to the boat.
Bro, you maybe should move. Actually, don't move down, or else you're gonna fall, dude. Oh!
I'm dead.
No, dude!
Well, either one way I would die. Oh! Bro,
No, my boat!
oh, guys, his boat is breaking. Guys. I can see on the other screen. Okay, he's good.
He made it.
He made it. Okay, guys.
We could have added stars, too.
For the raft. But then lightning would struck. Oh, that's lava.
I'm on lava part.
Yeah, it has to get through the block and then that. What? No.
Okay, guys. So we're still going. So Junior is right now with his sister, and we're just gonna continue the video. So right now I'm currently on the 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 lightning part, the other one. Bro, guys, I might survive. I might survive, guys. As you can see, I'm pretty far in.
They can't see. Because I'm not in
I told them where they are, where I am. You left?
Just tell them that you're on the far part. Make it bright tonight. Okay, guys, so this is where he is so far. We will be showing you the rest. So, guys, he's on this part. You guys think he can make it?
I might.
And he does play on mobile. You can tell by that and that. I was feeling how the camera was it's so hot. God, he died!
53 gold.
Around
I got 97. Okay, I'm
Check if I left.
Let me see. Yeah, you left.
Around your familiar faces.
Well, that was a pretty good bow, but didn't make it to the end.
Okay, so
Well, this time, guys, we're gonna build a raft.
last time we did not have a raft.
Last time, tell them about the time that I won 2 times because of rafts.
He won 2 times?
Because I was on a raft, and we decided to build a long raft. So I survived in 1 block.
On 1 block, this dude survived.
Like at the last level, I was at 1 block and I made it.
He was wiggling. The game was laggy a little.
And if you guys don't believe me, I got proof. So you know how you guys get slime blocks if you win? So I got proof.
Not everyone gets slime blocks.
Yeah, pretty much everyone.
Brian didn't.
He never made it.
He did.
We're gonna put some fireworks for you guys. 3, 2, 1, go.
Here's how to show all of them at once. Add 3 of them. Okay, guys. Look at that.
Look at that, guys.
It's pretty dope, the fireworks. So, guys, we're gonna get starting building our boat, and we'll cut till we're done building the boat.
Okay, dude.
Okay. Okay, guys, we're back, and Andrew left because he said we need to spam the raft. So I spammed the raft like he told me to. And he's playing Geometry Dash. Do you hear Geometry Dash music? That's Andrew. So we'll cut till I take some damage. Okay, guys, we're back, and as you can see, I took some lightning damage. And we're in lava. And guys, this is not controlling well. What? What? Okay, guys, so we're at the lava part, but it's getting slower and slower. So I feel like we're gonna pretty much lose. Because if it's going slow, that means it's gonna burn the ground. Okay, we're gonna make it out. Well, at least we might. Okay, guys, we'll cut till we get to. Okay, guys, so I died, so.
This will be your new bed.
That was my sister. So, okay, guys, so we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye. Bye.